Now I'm speaking to you, no? You are understanding? Everyone? Everyone is understanding. Go and speak to a computer. Go and speak to a computer or mobile. Will it understand? Not. Unless you are speaking in binary code. See, we use language, correct? We are using language to communicate. That can be Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, whatever it is, right? To communicate. But computers will not understand all these things. They understand binary code. What is binary code? That is 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Right? This is how computers communicate. This is the language through which they communicate. One hardware will communicate to another hardware also. So when the CPU is communicating to the printer, it will send 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 or 1, 0, 1. Whatever it is, it has to communicate. This is how the communication happens. Are we clear with this? This is how it communicates. Now, when I am speaking to you, right, you are able to hear properly? Everyone clear? Voice clear? Yeah. Sir, how is the wave coming to you? My vocal is coming to you. How is it? Through waves, right? My vocal cord is compressing the air, it is creating some waves, and you are able to reach, right? Your ears are instruments, right? Are translating that vocal voice into some electronic waves which your brain will understand, interprets, and you are able to, oh, so that this is what sir is saying, correct? Similarly, computers also transmit through signals, right? They are also waves. They are electronic waves, right? Now, whatever I'm shouting, it will not go to the next classroom, correct? But these electronic waves can move on or can travel far distances. This is how the communication between these happens. Okay, this is how communication happens with hardware or signals or devices. Are we clear on this? This is communication. How communication happens. It is similar to our human body. If you understand a human body, right, you will understand how system works. It's not very fancy because before this you will be thinking how signals are going. Now it's very easy to comprehend, right? That is one thing. This is the first. Language is binary. Second, they communicate through electronic signals. Third one. What is this? This is a house. Imagine. Okay. Oh, typical house means for me this is only house. Right? Now this is house. Now think this house as the computer. This house as the computer. Clear? Now inside the house you are there. Hashtag. Okay. You are there. You are the CPU. You are the CPU, brain of the house. Okay, we'll go to the CPU part later. We'll be studying about CPU full in detail, right? But can house function on its own? Right? So you will listen from your mom, right? Some signals are coming, then you work accordingly, right? Right? You carry out the activities at your house. Similarly, CPU is the main thing in a computer which carry out lot of instructions, which will carry out lot of instructions. Are we clear here? Right? Functioning is very, this is a flow which I'm giving you a picture so that where you will understand where I'm going. Okay, be with me. Sir, this all sappa easy, sir. What is this? Why are you telling all? Yes, it's easy, but as we build it, it'll be much more complicated. Let's see. Now, you know internet. Everyone, what is internet? Sir, Google, sir. Google is internet. Huh? What is internet, sir? Let us give an example here again. Sir, your house here is only there. In Bangalore, let's say you're living in Bangalore. How many houses are there, sir? So many houses are there. Let's draw so many houses. Then, and this is Arivu Pro Academy. Okay. Okay, these are houses. Now, these are all computers. Yes or no? Done. Houses are computers. Remember that example. Done. Now, how are these houses connected? There are roads, correct? I'm drawing the roads. Okay, there are roads. This interconnection between computers, we call it as network, or in simple terms, internet. Internet is a different definition, but please try to understand in simple terms. Computers are connected together, correct? Computers are connected together. Houses are connected by roads, right? Computers which are connected together, we call it as internet. Internet. So, actually, what is internet? See, when you go, right? Let's say you are going and watching Amazon Prime video. Everyone has Amazon Prime video, right? That video will be in some server or some computer. Okay, imagine this is Amazon. Jeff Bezos Mama is here only. Okay, from his computer, he would have uploaded, let's say, some movie, Avengers, let's say, for example. So don't say Avengers is not star only and all. Oh, right? Okay. So now it is there. So when you are accessing, right, you double click, right? Your visiting is computer actually. Because it's connected, you are able to see the video to you in your screen. That's all it is. Are we clear how the internet is functioning? No. Very simple. Not complicated. Yes or no? No. Guys, but it does not work in very simple like this. Okay. What happens is, yeah.
Network or internet?
They are network. They are connecting things, right?
Then what is internet?
Internet is nothing but connected computers. That's it. Sorry?
Network and internet, both are same only.
Both are same only. There is differences that we will see later. Okay. Both are almost same. Network. See, network is the parent. Internet is something. We will see that later on. Don't confuse too much now. See, don't go into nitty-gritties now itself. Right? As I told you, take it as a general framework. Right? If you go into depth, you will not understand right now itself. I told you as a warning itself I gave you. Don't take this as internet. There is different meaning to it. But take it as very pinch of salt. Okay? Done. Now, let us take, yeah. Now, if you want to, let's say your friend is here. Okay? Your friend is here. This is your friend. He is also on CPU. Now, you want to communicate with your friend. Okay? You want to communicate with your friend. Not now. Wind up 20 years back or 30 years back. How are you able to communicate? With letters? Yes or no? Letters? Everyone agree? Okay. What happens? You have a post office, right? There is a post box. You will write something. Hi, how are you? Right? And you will put it in the post office box. And there is a guy, postman, right? Will come and pick it from your house. Yes? He'll pick it from your house. And he will go to the what? Main branch of that city and dump it there. You would have written to address, from address, correct? Then he will go and deliver it to your friend's house. He'll go and deliver to his friend's house. This is how communication happened. Yes. This is how communication happened. This is the same thing happens in your electronic devices also. What happens is, right, when you take a phone or a call, right, there is a connection to the tower, nearest tower, which takes the signal, right? You're putting it in an envelope, right? Your data, right? Your information, you're putting it in an envelope and sending, right? Here we call it as packets. Okay, data is converted into packets and traveled to a signal or a tower. It is given to a tower. From tower A, it can go to B, C, or it can reach your friend also. If it's nearby, then it will not jump too many towers. Hope you're understanding what I mean. Right? There will be a tower like this. It'll go here, then it'll go to your friend. If your friend is in US, it'll jump multiple towers and then go. And this will all happen in fraction of seconds. It'll happen in fraction of seconds. So it's not like postal service, they'll take a lot of time. Okay, this is how your communication is delivered. This is how computers are interconnected. So when you're going to Amazon and clicking a video, watching a video, you are requesting a package. Amazon, please send video. Amazon will send that package back to you. These are the videos and you will watch it on the internet. For that, it's not so simple. There are instruments you need, like a web browser. You need other computers to support, and a lot of other things are there. In simple terms, in an overview, this is how it works. This is how it works. Are we clear? Any questions? Package is nothing but envelope, ma. You are sending envelope to the post office, right? From post office, it goes to your concerned person, right? Here you are taking a phone, right? The phone data is that signals, no, are packed together as a package, like a one box, you remember. It goes to the tower, nearest tower, signal tower. Signal nahi, signal varla. You say right, no, why? Same thing. Data is not able to, road is not there, means will you be able to travel? Will you be able to travel? If road is not there, will you be able to travel? Then if there's no connection, will you be able to send packages? Same thing, same ditto. Are we clear? So it goes to the tower, right? Then you go to the main, if your friend's house, if it's in the main road, it will be easy for you. You will go to there straight. If it's not in the main road, it's like in Bangalore. First cross, second cross, middle cross, every cross, right? Then it has to jump to many towers and go. That's all it is. Done. After my beautiful diagram, right? Now, let us go to the other side of it, which students normally do not understand when I say it in a very technical language. Now, try to understand here. Let us introduce a person here. This person, outsider. Okay. In normal terms, you and I call him thief. You and I call him thief. Can he come inside your house and steal stuff? Right? Can he come inside your house and steal stuff? How, sir? You know, can you give examples to yourself? You have seen so many movies, correct? You know how can he come inside your house and all, correct? Similarly, in the digital world, we give him a very fancy name called as hacker. Hacker. Sir, physical house he can come means virtually, system is virtually, can he come virtually? Yes or no? Virtual coming inside, coming and taking your file. We call it as hacking. Stealing becomes hacking. Are we clear? So, are you understanding? Certain times, how, sir, you would be thinking? There are possibilities. Are you understanding now? There are possibilities which you do not know how to hack. If I give you, go and steal from someone's house, some friend's house, will you be able to steal it? No, it's very difficult for you. Correct? For a thief, it's easy. For a hacker, he knows how to do it. There are instruments. There are ways. Right? This is how, and we call it as hacker. Are we clear now? He can gain to your house. He can come in any time to your house. Right? He can steal anything from your house. Right? If he wants to murder your CPU, can he do it? Right? So anything can happen. Or he can come and put one virus, give one virus to you and go. Right? Coronavirus, he can come and give and go. Right? Similarly, in computer, this is a virus. So it's similar to our day-to-day activities. If you understand how it works in general, you understand the computer way. Now, clear. Now, one more thing, last final thing. Guys, in the postal services, we'll go back to the postal. Now, you are coming and writing a letter, correct? You are coming and writing a letter and putting it. Hi, da, how are you? Okay. Can this guy come and take that letter? Firm address is there, right? Can he take the letter and change it? Hey, you enemy, I know what you did. Don't even talk to me. Can he change it to other one? Yes. Physically it's possible. Then virtually also it's possible. Virtually also it's possible. How, sir, and all, it's not there in your syllabus, but it's possible. Please be aware it's possible, right? And that message will be delivered to your friend, right? That's think from a corporate scenario now. Where am I heading towards? The bigger picture, right? These are the problems which you will face. Now, when the postman comes, can he forget to collect your letter? Can he come check? But he does not take your letter and go. So message will not get delivered. Possible? Then if you send on internet, why are you thinking always your message should be delivered? It can get lost, right? When there is a disaster, there is flood in your neighborhood, right, in your area, will post service be active? No. Similarly, internet also, or network communication also will be hampered, right? Now, one more thing, when on the traveling, let's say the signal, I mean, your letter is getting traveled, is putting it on a truck and driving. While driving, can it slip out from the vehicle? Similarly, in the virtual also it can happen, right? Or can it be torn? Can it be damaged? Right? Similarly, internet also can be damaged. Please appreciate these concepts. Reason being is, according to us, computer can never make mistake. Correct? That is what is being taught to you, but it is not. Computer can make mistake. CPU, you are the CPU, right? If they give simple instructions, you will be able to carry out. But if I keep on giving you work, will you get tired? Right? You will slip. Sometimes you will be like, hey, enough. Same thing, CPU also can be burdened. Are we all clear here? So this is the overview of the subject. This is the overview of the subject. So whatever happens in the real world is possible virtually, and there are different names for it. There are different names for it. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Can we catch the hacker? You are there inside the house only, no? Can you catch him? If you find him, that's it. Or there is antivirus. You can call policeman. Policeman is antivirus you can keep. Right? You can keep it. No doubts. So that ends our intro video. Yeah.